Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make easy khichdi. Khichdi is Indian comfort food and a one-pot meal with rice and lentils. Add any vegetables to make it healthy and a complete nutritious meal. There are many versions of khichdi with sautéed onions and spices, but we'll save that version for another video. I'm showing you the most basic version of khichdi with no prep work. It's perfect for a busy weeknight when you're tired and have no time to cook. The great thing about khichdi is that you can use any type of rice, dal, and vegetables. I've put a link to the recipe right below this video. For the rice, I'm using basmati rice, but you can substitute the traditional short grain rice used in khichdi. For the dal, this is masoor dal. You can use any type of dal. Traditionally, yellow moong dal is used. I'm using frozen vegetables to avoid the extra work of cutting up fresh vegetables and also to save time. These are green beans, carrots, corn, and peas. Ground turmeric, chili powder, salt, and of course water. In a bowl, put the rice and dal. Cover with water. Clean it and discard the water. Do this 3 times to get rid of any impurities. The rice and dal are clean and drained. Traditionally, a pressure cooker is used to make khichdi. I'm using my Instant Pot Mini. Add the rice and dal to the pot. Vegetables, turmeric, chili powder, and salt. Cover with water. Give it a stir, put the lid on, and turn the valve to sealing. Press pressure cook and cook for 15 minutes. When the time's up, turn the pressure cooker off and let it sit for 5 minutes. Turn the valve to venting and release the pressure. When the float valve drops, it's safe to open the pressure cooker. Khichdi is cooked. It'll look like porridge, very creamy. Taste and add more salt if you wish. Chopped cilantro is a wonderful fresh addition. Eaten like this is the healthiest version since there's no added fat, and it is great for people on a diet. Traditionally though, ghee is served on top. Mango pickle, lime pickle, chili pickle, your favorite pickle is also served on the side, as well as plain yogurt. This khichdi is tasty, but very plain, so I always eat it with pickle and yogurt. I don't know if you could find an easier one-pot meal, so I do hope you give it a try. Subscribe for more recipes, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.